How to switch back to personal account on Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can switch back to your personal account on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to switch back to your personal account on Instagram, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application here. Once you launch Instagram app, just make sure to tap the profile option from the bottom right of the screen. Then you can see I have a professional account because of all the professional dashboard tools that I have. What you want to do from here is just tap the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen as you can find it. Then you want to simply go to the option known as settings. Once you come to settings over here, you want to simply scroll and then look for the option called account. Once you come to account, scroll down, you'll find the option known as switch account type. Just tap on switch account type over here. And over here you'll find the option to switch to personal account. So all you have to do is just tap on switch to personal account option. Now over here you can see it will ask me for a confirmation for the one last time. I just need to confirm the changes by tapping on switch to personal account, and then I'll be successfully switched back to personal account on Instagram. This way you can successfully switch back to personal account on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.